everybody! It's gonna be a great day. I have class tonight, and it's gonna be different because we have a new coach or instructor, whatever you want to call the person. Her name's Bree, and yeah, I mean, we had her last week, but I wasn't able to go because I was on set. Sorry guys, I keep looking at myself. I hope we get a good scene though. My last scene was with Dee. We did the handmaid tales. Today's gonna be a train wreck. So I just got back from Target and I got like a FM transmitter. This, so we can play music because this old car doesn't have an aux cord. And I also got this. What's up guys? It's been like 4 hours. But I just got a call for a job interview on Monday, so I hope that's goes well. But you people can see my camera. You're like, what the hell is she doing? I mean, I don't know. I think it's right here. Sir. I'm gonna get some fries from Carl's Jr. Got some fries from Carl's Jr. Chris cut fries, and I forgot to ask for barbecue sauce, so I'm eating them plain. Fun. They're hella hot. Holy stop. Look how thick. So I'm at class. You can barely see me because it's nighttime, clearly. So, yeah. See you guys after.
I can't wait to go watch the baseball game.
Dave.
It's game time, baby. Let's go, Cody Bellinger. Look at Corey Seager. And Mookie Banks.
It with you. Well, I'm gonna poop my pants. You know what times today I pooped my pants? No. I went poo. I wish they had vegan chicken nuggets.